Keeping a healthy liver and preventing our blood vessels from accumulating atheroma plaques is essential for health. I will present 5 potent natural remedy ingredients that, together, form a tasty and extremely effective drink for taking care of the body. These 5 ingredients will help cleanse the liver and blood vessels, a key goal for health. I will also explain how to prepare this drink at home, creating a natural and powerful blend to detoxify the liver and blood vessels. Let's start with the 5 main ingredients. The first is beetroot, followed by carrot, ginger, parsley, and finally, Cape gooseberry, a wonderful fruit that many ignore. Beetroot and carrot have fantastic properties that contribute to liver cleansing and artery purification. These vegetables are rich in antioxidants, which means they can eliminate free oxygen radicals, responsible for premature aging and various chronic and DEG. Carrot is rich in beta-carotene, while beetroot contains betaine, 2 compounds that help protect the liver against damage caused by free oxygen radicals. Our body needs to work hard to eliminate these radicals, and with beetroot and carrot, we achieve this effect effectively. Additionally, these vegetables enhance the liver's natural detoxification, which is the main organ in this process, responsible for eliminating toxins from food, the environment, and even work. In this sense, beetroot, with its specific compounds, enhances liver function and facilita. Moreover, both beetroot and carrot have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is an underlying cause of various diseases and is considered cellular stress. With their powerful anti-inflammatory properties, these 2 ingredients help reduce inflammation in the liver and arteries, promoting liver and cardiovascular health. They also provide a significant amount of fiber, which is essential for liver health. Fiber helps control the absorption of certain nutrients and facilitates digestion, promoting bowel regularity and preventing constipation, which is highly beneficial for the liver. Carrot and beetroot are also sources of essential vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin C, potassium, and iron, which play important roles in various bodily functions, including liver regeneration and maintenance. These nutrients are necessary for liver detoxification and for strengthening its function. Now, let's talk about the third ingredient, parsley. Parsley is also rich in antioxidants and contains vitamins A and C, which help protect the liver from damage caused by free oxygen radicals. These radicals are naturally generated in metabolic processes, and the presence of antioxidants in parsley helps neutralize them, promoting faster cell recovery and slowing aging and the development of chronic diseases. Additionally, parsley promotes liver detoxification, which allows the liver to efficiently eliminate harmful substances, preserving blood vessel health and helping maintain its integrity. The integrity of blood vessels means they remain permeable and free from obstructions by fatty plaques and other components, preventing conditions like atherosclerosis. Parsley is a great ingredient for blood vessel health, protecting them against plaque buildup. The fourth ingredient is ginger, a powerful anti-inflammatory. Many are already aware of its properties from other videos and texts on the benefits of ginger. It helps reduce liver inflammation caused by toxins and reduces inflammation in the inner layer of the arteries, which decreases the buildup of substances that could obstruct these vessels. With this function, ginger improves blood circulation, facilitating blood flow through the arteries and clearing possible obstructions. This makes ginger very beneficial for cardiovascular and liver health. Additionally, ginger has a protective action against some liver diseases, such as infectious hepatitis and liver cell degeneration, and can reduce the risks of cirrhosis, a very serious condition. The fifth and final ingredient is Cape gooseberry. Who would have thought that such a small and tasty fruit has one of the highest antioxidant contents among fruits? Cape gooseberry is highly efficient at eliminating free oxygen radicals, helping to protect the liver and blood vessels from oxidative damage that promotes aging and chronic diseases. By including gooseberry in this drink, we are promoting liver health, toxin removal, and liver cell regeneration, as well as strengthening liver function overall, thanks to its antioxidant and nutritional properties. Like parsley and ginger, gooseberry also supports cardiovascular health, helping keep blood vessels free of sticky particles that can cause obstructions. Now, I'll teach you how to prepare this drink. First, cut the beetroot and carrot into pieces and place them in a blender with about 200 to 250 milliliters of water. Add a few fresh parsley leaves, thinly sliced ginger, and chopped Cape gooseberry. Blend all the ingredients until you get a thick and nutritious mixture. Strain the drink to obtain a more fluid liquid, which you can consume. It is recommended to drink 1 glass of this delicious mixture in the morning and another in the afternoon for 15 days. After that, just 1 glass daily as a maintenance dose. This drink is a great way to take care of your liver health and blood circulation, preventing hypertension and promoting the proper functioning of the liver and cardiovascular system. If you enjoyed it, share this recipe with others so more people can benefit from these incredible health advantages for the liver and arteries. If this content helped you, leave your like and share it with your friends to support our new channel.